Hello students, in this video we will learn letter writing. As we know, letters are of two types, formal letter and informal letter. But today we will learn second, informal letter. So to whom we can write informal letter? Basically it is a non-official letter which can be written to friends, family or relatives. There are certain topics on which we write the informal letter, like to invite the friend for any party, ceremony, to call a friend for the trip or holiday, or when we have made some mistake we ask for apology and we congratulate the friends and relatives for their achievement. Sometimes we just write to ask their well-being, and sometimes to give them invitation for the marriage or any other occasion, and sometimes we also need someone's help to ask the help from someone. Also we can write informal letter and inform about someone's demise means death. Sometimes we need to inform the friends and family members. So these are few of the topics generally which we write on. There are many other on which we can write the informal letter. So first, if we want to learn the informal letter, we must know the format which we have to follow. And there is a rule in CBSE, even if you will write the format and something in the body, you will be getting half marks. So the format we follow in the informal letter is, first of all we write the address of the sender. That means if you are writing letter, then you will write your own address. And then the date of the writing. Here we need not write two addresses. Only sender's address is enough. In formal letter we write both sender's and receiver's address. But it is informal, make sure you write the sender's address only. After sender's address, date and then salutation. Afterwards body, and then we conclude after writing body, and then we write just name of the sender. No need to write their surname, no need to put signature, because to whomever we are writing, it's very clear to them that who we are. They know us very well. So we need not give them any more identification. Okay, so let us understand it very clearly once more. So this way, on the left side generally we write the sender's address, then date. Date also can be written in two ways, like first you can write month and then date and then year. Otherwise you can write first date and then month and year. And while we are writing date, it can be written either in the cardinal or in the ordinal form. Like you can even write 10, or you can write 10th, 10 and th. So this both ways you can just write the dates, and make sure you write the complete year, 2021, 2022 and so on. And then next comes the body of the letter. So in body we include three para. First is the opening para, introduction we can say, and there we just ask about their well-being, how are they and all. And then we come to the main point for which we have written this letter, and we at length write everything regarding that. And then before concluding we just again write some of the lines for complimentary closing, and we can just take a leave with this paragraph. And then at the end we write subscription like kind regards or yours lovingly, with love, etc., because it is informal. And then we just write our name. If address and names are given in the question, you have to write the same name and address, but if they are not written, then you can use your own. Now let's have a question, and let us see how we can just write on that. So the question here is, your friend Vicky has met with an accident. You are Rahul. Write a letter to your friend, consoling and motivating to deal with the situation and wishing his fast recovery. So first of all you need to understand who is writing and to whom he is writing. So obviously Rahul is writing a letter to Vicky because Vicky has met with an accident. And now what he will write in his letter? So he will obviously, as he is in the hospital, he has met with an accident, so he will be consoling him, he will give him courage, he will motivate him, he will show him the positivity of the life. Okay, and he will just pray for his fast recovery and do whatever he could do for his friend. So let us see how it can be written. See, you can see on the left corner, first of all, we have written the sender's address. This is Rahul's address. As nothing is given in question, we have used this address, where we have to write first the block number or the house number or flat number wherever you are residing, then the area, and if you have any landmark, then you can write and then city's name. And no one is going to make sure is there any such address available or not. You can just write imaginary address also, don't worry for that. And after leaving one line after sender's address, you have to write the date. So here you can see first date is written, then month, and then year. Here it is 2012. We can change it according to the current year. And afterwards we have just written the dear Vicky, that is the salutation. When we are writing informal, we use the words like dear. And sometimes if we are writing to any relative, so we write like brother, bro, or mother, mom, mama, mummy, and father, dad, daddy, etc. And if you are writing to friend, we can even write dear friend, or else we can write the name also. So after salutation, exactly, now here we don't have any subject to write, okay, it is informal. So we will jump to directly body. In body, again, as I had discussed, we have 3 paragraphs. Although it is not a paragraph, it is only one line, but it's the opening, the way we can just write in all the informal letters, so you can cram it if you want. So I hope this letter finds you in the best of spirits. And then in this second paragraph, in detail, the reason of writing the letter is included. Like Rahul is writing, when I visited you last week, you seemed a bit depressed. So come on boy, you should thank God for giving you a fresh lease of life. So he is encouraging him, because he might have been feeling frustrated. So as a friend, he is just supporting him mentally, emotionally. He says further, I talked to your doctor this morning and he told me that you are now out of danger. So he's showing the positive side. He is just feeling positivity in his mind. And he says you will have to remain in the hospital for a few more days, but that is not something you should be concerned out. So he should not just make a mountain out of a molehill. So it is not a big deal. The main thing is God has saved you. Your life is saved. And don't forget that life is a mixture of joys and sorrow. So being a friend, he becomes his father, his guide, his teacher, everything. Friend is the combination of all the relationship. So he is giving him advice also, life lesson also, that life is the mixture of joys and sorrow, so we should accept it healthily. And then he just gives, in the third closing conclusion paragraph, he gives a very good news by saying that, by the way, all of us have decided to celebrate your recovery. That means when he will be discharged and he will be recovered, we will just celebrate it. We will be throwing a small party the day you come back from the hospital. So this is with the happy note. He just ends the body, and this leaves a very good impression on the reader. When we end with the happy note, they also remain psychologically in happy mood. So with this, the letter is concluded, and then he has written see you soon. You can even write take care, and this is the salutation. Instead of kind regards, you can even write yours lovingly, your friend, your bestie, and all. And then only name without any signature or second or third name. So this is what you have to follow in your informal letter. It's very easy. And the language you can use in the informal letter is also, it's a very colloquial language which we use in our day-to-day life. No need to be so much formal. Okay, this is the difference. And whatever you feel, you can express it without worrying about the sentence, what kind of terms you are choosing. Whatever it should be just from the heart. So this is the informal letter. I hope you would have understood. If you have any doubts, you can just write in the comment section. I will give you answers. Thank you.